Now, let me hurry up and get this fixed real quick. I apologize. Trying to get my TV back on track. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. You already know I'm back with another video that's on period. You feel me? I need some chapstick. I need some water first, and then I'm gonna get some chapstick. Yum, yum, yum. Excuse me. If you're looking for a classic girl, I might not be her. Today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be reviewing Eapheat. You thought I was just gonna pull it out, huh? You thought I was gonna just pull it out? Joke's on you. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna be reviewing Eapheat. I ordered from them. I got the idea from, what's her name? I think her name's like Laurasia Andrea. I love you, Laurasia, if that's your name, if that's how you pronounce it. I used to watch her videos way back when, and I just started watching them again, and I was like, girl, I need your supplies, so I'm gonna get them. And I'm gonna review them for the people who are on more on a budget, like me, myself, you feel me? So I'm here to review it for you to see, you know, if it's worth the money. I believe this cost around like 80 some dollars. So at least when I bought it, it cost like 80 something dollars. So I'm sorry that the box is a little crusty and rusty, but this is the box that it comes in. It says Eapheat. I believe it's Eapheat. If not, I'm gonna just put it somewhere over here. If it is, don't even worry about it. Eapheat. It says Professional Hot Tools HT044. I don't know if that matters to you, but if it does, it's right there. If you guys have any questions, make sure to leave a comment down below. I got y'all, as long as we got that covered. But yeah, it comes in this box, and I did open the box a little bit just to check and make sure everything was in there. And everything was in there because only one thing needed to come in there, right? Real quick, I just want to have a little conversation with you real quick. I want to explain that I don't like doing too much to my hair. I like full hair. I like just putting on my wig and going. You can call that lazy, you can call that ridiculous, you can call that not slaying, but at the end of the day, that's what I do. So I'm glad we had this discussion. So I try to do minimal to no work on my hair. I like that natural. To y'all, it may not seem natural, but I think it's natural when it's just coming out of your head. I know people like them baby hairs and them, but me, I just like that just, you know what I mean? Just.
If you don't know what I mean, you're gonna know soon.
Subscribe so you can know soon. Subscribe. I'm glad you did that. Cool. Yeah, I'm going to be trying it on my hair though. I want to see if it's gonna do anything different. I may be using it wrong. Don't know how to use a hot comb. We're just gonna throw that out there. We're gonna throw that out there. But yeah, we're just gonna test it out. Hopefully the plug can reach over there. But if not, I probably have to go in the bathroom and try to put it together. Yeah, we're just gonna try to see if it can do anything to my hair. If it will do anything. Maybe I'm not gonna be using the right product. I'm trying to use no products. I just want to see what it will do to a hot mess, if that makes sense. Yeah, so we're gonna unbox it real quick. Move this little mirror out the way real quick. But this is the way it looks when it comes in the box. The box looks a little crusty, probably because I put my hands in it, but I did not use it yet. I did not use it yet. There's a difference to putting my hands in and using it. I did not use it yet. So it says hot and ready right at the top, and then it's got the hot comb. Don't know if you can tell or see it, but hot comb comes in there just like this, and then we just gonna pull her out. Have a little technical difficulties. Okay, so I guess the whole box gotta come out. Okay, so the box comes out. So now I'm looking. Hopefully this thing does not break, because I will send this right back. And then we're just gonna pull her out. Oh, and she got some instructions. I'm gonna name you Destiny, like I name everything else. We don't use this though, so we're just gonna have to wing it. Oh shoot, I should probably put the box back in. We're gonna do that. I don't know if I'm gonna, I don't know if I'm gonna test strand or like, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but we're gonna do this together. That's all I know, and that's on period. If you guys see some trash or some crazy stuff going on in the background, mind your business, only because I got another video for y'all. I'm gonna be changing up my room a little bit more, and then I got a final room makeover video coming up soon. If you guys have not watched that, y'all should go check it out. And that wasn't the full transformation. That was literally only half of the transformation. Now I think my room's transformed. Is she lifting off the wall? Sorry, I had to fix my LED light. Yeah, just if you see crazy stuff in the background, it's because I'm in the process of changing things around and trying to get things back on track. So, and just to let you guys know, I already started my merch, just in case I was trying to cop a little something. When I get mine, I will definitely be showing y'all what it looks like and everything. But right now, if y'all just want to check it out, I'll probably leave the link down in the description box so y'all can at least take a quick look, see if you want something. If you want something, go ahead and get you something. If you don't, go ahead and still get you something. You'll like it later. But yeah, I just want to make sure y'all were on the lookout for that. I will be making a couple other things, and when I do, I'll definitely be letting y'all know about that. But right now, we just start off with something small, something simple, and it's gonna be a little hoodie. It's gonna be like a blue-greenish. It's like a navy blue. Like, I don't know how to explain that. You'll see, and it's gonna have pink writing on there, and you're gonna see what the pink writing is. And if you want to know right now, you can go down in the description box down below, check it out, copy some merch real quick, and yeah, you feel me? I should probably plug this in. I don't want to burn anything. I don't know if I should be doing this in my room, but we're gonna do it anyway. She's plugged in and she's off right now. Okay, so first impression, pretty nice. Why does she look like she bedding? Okay, so it says off right now. So I kind of want to get this off because how would I get this off though? Oh, slant her off. Hopefully I didn't break her. Okay. Okay. But first we're just gonna look at the hair. If it looks bad, I apologize, but you get what you get, you don't throw a fit. So here we go. Perfect. It looks raggedy. Exactly how I expected it. I don't know what I'm going to be doing to this thing. I just want to see how it works. See if it's going to do something. See if it's worth money. Hey, my lace lifted up a little bit. I don't feel like gluing it down just yet. So, and if you guys are trying to figure out or see a video of me installing this pink hair, or want to know where this pink hair is from, you might as well go check out my last video. Go watch me install some pink hair. Let's go ahead. We're gonna comb this right back a little bit. I think I just only want to like straighten this part out a little bit. I don't know. I don't know. Beginners. This is gonna be beginner friendly. So now we're gonna look at how this thing works, and I'm assuming we're gonna turn her on. Okay, that's not how you turn her on. Oh, sorry, on. Duh. Hold the button. Ah, she's on. And I feel her getting warm, so she's getting warm quick. Whoa. She on fire. So right now, 134, 147. Look how fast it's going up. I probably can't, but she's going up pretty fast. She's at 199, 203, 200. Wow, she is hot. Okay. Smell like she's burning already. I think it's time. She is hot. And she looks pretty cute. Come on, tell me that ain't cute. 360. This is at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. All right. So, maybe I want to just pull out a strand. We're going to test this out and see what it does. Okay. And we're going to comb through. You ready? Ready or not, here we go. All right, to the baby step. And she is straight. She is straight. All right, cool. Now, let's try pulling my hair back a little bit. As you can see, they're raggedy and my hair is all over the place. Let's try to pull it back. that thing hot. Okay. But I'm only gonna do stuff to half my head. So. Oh, wow. Okay. Right, let's try this. Let's try this. Section this part right here. And then we're gonna comb it down a little bit. So I don't burn my ear. I really like what it's doing so far. Y'all might not be able to tell, but I can tell it's doing something crazy. It is straightening this hair. Now let's see if I can like, oh wow. Oh wow. I almost burned my ear off. I almost burned my ear off. Oh my gosh. This is great. Everybody need to get this right now. Oh yeah, I like minimal work, and this is minimal. This is great. So, hold on, let me get this together. So you see this side? Oh wow. Oh wow. This side is super flat, super put together, and I didn't even do much. As you can see, I only did this. I'm gonna put her down. Oh girl, don't roll over, that'd be crazy. Oh, I think this is maybe a kickstand. Hopefully. Oh, I think it is. Oh wow, they're smart. Kickstand. Make sure she don't fall over. So what I'm gonna do right now is kind of try to create something. Now, something could be nothing, so.
I don't know why I'm using this comb, but we using her today.
Make sure she ain't burning up nothing over there. And I'm gonna do this. And I kind of want to see if she's gonna flatten this part out. And I kind of want to do something like, obviously you see it looks stupid. Because when I don't pluck my parts too, I don't pluck my parts. But, let me see. I just want to see if she will flatten this out. Now let's go ahead and use her real quick. See if she will lay me down a little bit.
I like burnt the soul out of my hand. I was going way too fast.
Did I just burn the hair off my finger? Hopefully I don't bruise. Just taking it easy. Baby, like you burnt, you cooking. I know I'll probably like need some spray. I actually got some spray on the way. We're gonna talk about that a little later on. But I'm getting some spray on the way to actually lay down my hair, put down my flyaways, and you know, like it does everything in one. And I can't wait for you guys to see that video. You're welcome. It's gonna be here soon. Right now, we're just seeing what the hot comb can do. I like to use minimal products, minimal to no products. And so far, I think it did a fantastic job with at least getting it straight and calming the hairs down. Now, of course, I can use a product to, you know, try to get these little flyaways that you guys can see. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I can use a product to get that to lay down. But right now, I just don't have it and I'm not doing it. So I really burnt my finger. I could feel it cooking still. Yeah, because this is hot. Burnt off my little hairs on my knuckles. Yes, this did a great job. Like I said, all I need is something to spray it down, to calm down, but I just want to do a little review, see if this is worth the money. If y'all should get this type of hot comb, this brand exactly, and it's called Eapheat. This is just a little, because you know, some people just don't got the money, they don't got time to be spending the money just for no reason when they're not even gonna use the item. If you're like me, you don't feel like doing your hair, well, okay, I like doing my hair, but if you don't want to be sitting there all day like, okay, like I gotta do this, gotta do that, if you just want 1, 2, 3 step, this is gonna be your friend. You feel me? I will be using this. I'm not gonna be straightening nothing because I like the bushy natural look, so this is what I feel like this is what it's gonna get me. And then I can go into the middle and put some makeup in my part or something like that. Or I could just flick my hair up like this. I like my hair done like that. Flick my hair up like that, right? And then put some clips on the side. I like stuff like that. And it's like straight enough for it to look like I did something to it and put some type of effort. But all in all, I definitely like this, and I truly believe this is well worth the money. And I will be using this more often in my videos. Perfect. And now, how do you turn this off? Yes, all in all, the hot comb. Ow, I hit my eyebrow. That was so extra. The hot comb is well worth my money. I would definitely purchase again, but I shouldn't have to. I really hope I don't. I don't remember signing anything for a warranty or anything like that. If you guys have any questions or any concerns or want to know an updated review on how it's been working, if it's breaking, if it's falling apart, let me know down in the comments down below. And even if you don't, I might just still give y'all one soon anyways, just for y'all's sake and mine. If you guys like videos like this, make sure to like, comment, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.